about we take a walk together on our nature walk talk today? As you can see, it's very, very calm. And I'm taking this as, I don't know, I'm taking it as a prophetic moment that maybe we will have calm. Maybe as we move forward, as a country, as a society, as a world, we can try and keep calm and create calm and have the changes that we need as a society happen so that they benefit everyone. Let's just think about that. Let's just try for that. Let's put aside the hate and the vitriol and the diminishment of one another. And let's just try and have some calm. Please take in this scene. Thanks for joining me for another Nature Walk Talk. I'll see you soon.